Welcome to the USS Midway. USS Midway is an historical naval aircraft carrier museum located in San Diego. So let's see what's inside USS Midway. So here's the entrance of USS Midway. The museum consists of so many aircrafts which are served in a battle by the US Army. So you can enjoy. It also has a movie theater called Battle of Midway Theater. It also has an iconic statue of a sailor kissing a nurse celebrating the end of World War. So that is copied from an original picture. Oh my god, look at this view. Wow. Now this is the top of USS Midway Museum. It also consists of so many aircraft that are served in World War. So take a look. Curious about what's inside the aircraft, so take a look what's inside it. This museum is built on Navy Pier, so you can watch lovely views from here.